car's life is a hot lap car, so and it loves it. Now, from the same track you just saw the WeatherTech guys drive,